If I erase your habits, your fears, and your routines, what's left of you? Most people never ask this, because what feels familiar feels personal. You believe you know who you are, your personality, your opinions, your preferences. But how much of that did you actually choose? Your reactions feel natural, your habits feel intentional, your thoughts feel like you. But familiarity doesn't mean truth, it only means repetition. Think about your morning. You wake up. Before thought, before intention. Your hand reaches for your phone. Not because you decided to, because you've done it 1,000 times. That's not choice. That's conditioning. From the moment you were young, you absorbed patterns. What praise sounds like, what failure feels like, what love is supposed to cost, what to admire, what to fear, what success looks like. Not through instruction, through exposure. No one explained the rules, you watch them being followed. Slowly, you adjusted. You didn't build an identity, you assembled one. That's why certain ideas feel threatening. Not because they're wrong, but because they question something you've been trained to protect. Notice how defensive people become when their beliefs are challenged. That reaction isn't truth defending itself. It's conditioning resisting examination. If your identity was shaped by patterns you never questioned, then many of your decisions aren't coming from awareness. They're coming from momentum. You react the way you were trained to react. You want what you were shown to want. You fear what you were taught to fear. And you call all of this who I am. Seeing this isn't comfortable, because once you realize you are not your conditioning, you lose the excuse of ignorance. You can't unsee it. You can't unknow it. And that's where responsibility begins. This isn't about losing identity, it's about regaining authorship. Because the moment you stop confusing conditioning with self, you stop reacting automatically, and anything that depends on your reactions starts losing control.